In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export images using the Export panel in Adobe Bridge. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly export your favorite images with ease. First, we need to open the Export panel. For those who are new to this, in Adobe Bridge, you'll want to navigate to the top menu and click on Window. From there, select Export Panel. Once you do this, a panel will appear, typically in the side panel area of your workspace. The beauty of Adobe Bridge is that it allows you some flexibility here. You can dock this panel wherever it suits your workflow best, or resize it according to your preference, making it easily accessible throughout your project. Now that we have the export panel ready, it's time to select the files you want to export. Head over to the Content panel in Bridge, and here you can choose the images or other supported assets you're aiming to export. Adobe Bridge accommodates a variety of file formats such as RAW, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and even DNGs, depending on the version you have installed. This versatility ensures that you can work with different types of files without a hitch. Moving on, we're at the stage where you need to decide whether to choose a preset or opt for a custom export. When you glance at the Export panel, you'll notice some options, including Custom Export and Create New Preset. If you have a preset saved that perfectly aligns with your current export requirements, then by all means use that for quick and efficient processing. But if you don't, there's no need to worry. You can easily create a fresh preset tailored to your needs. To create or edit a preset, you'll need to set your export options. This involves several important decisions you'll need to make. Start with the saving options. You'll decide where your exported files should end up, whether that's in the same folder, a specific folder, or perhaps a subfolder. You'll also need to establish what should happen in case there are name conflicts. Then, choose your desired image format, be it JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or DNG. Next, focus on image size or scaling. Here, you have the flexibility to scale your images by percentage or resize them to fit or fill a particular target rectangle or defined width and height. You can also set the resolution and opt for the Don't Enlarge feature if necessary. Don't forget about metadata options as well. You have the ability to include original metadata, remove location info for privacy, apply a metadata template, or even add additional keywords to enhance searchability. Finally, once you've set everything to your satisfaction, it's time to apply and run the export. Simply click on Start Export or a similar button to initiate the process. Adobe Bridge will then queue up and process your export jobs, allowing you to view the progress as it happens. And there you have it, an effortless way to export images with Adobe Bridge's Export panel. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.